Hi guys, in this video we're going to be uncovering some of the surprises hidden away in these packages. We have the Tsum Tsum, the Party Pop Teenie, the Shopkins Wild Style Box, the Troll Surprise, the Minipets Surprise Ball, the Ooshies, and the Emoji Squeezeables. Let's get to it! So I think I'm going to start with the Minipets Surprise Ball. You can collect 12 different stuffed pets. So let's just go for it. Okay, so let's see what we got in our surprise ball. It looks like a puppy. Alright, next we're going to open up the Shopkins Wild Style Surprise Box. You can collect. It includes 2 Shopkins. Oh, look at that. And look at all the options. I wonder what we're going to get. Alright, the collector's guide. There's just so many different tribes that you can collect from. So let's just get to it. Let's see what the bigger one is. Oh, look at this beautiful little pup. Isn't she just cute? Oh, and we have a surprise. The second surprise. We have 2 Shopkins. All right, let's get to it. We'll put our container right here. And then we'll open up these smaller bags. Look, we've got 1. Let's open up the second. And we've got our second Shopkin. Aren't these just so cute? All right, let's see which tribe they belong to. This one is Little Bo Bella, and she's from the Glitzy Dancers tribe, right here. Now this one here appears to belong to the Color Change Cuties tribe, which means they will change color in a little bit of water. And this one appears to be Mitzi Oven Mitt. Mitzi Oven Mitt. Isn't she so cute? All right, so let's put them in this cute little box. And there you go. All right, next we're gonna go to the Tsum Tsum. There's 6 to collect. There's Minnie, Goofy, Winnie the Pooh, Mickey Mouse, Donald Duck, and Daisy Duck. Let's see which one we got. We got Goofy! Yay! Put Goofy right here. I'll move on to the Trolls collectible figurines. That open. Let's see what we can collect. Which character will we get? All right, let's see. It's Biggie! Hello, Biggie! All right, next we'll move on to the Ooshies. We have a bunch of Disney characters we can collect. And there's also limited edition Icy Glow. So we'll see what we can get. See which squishy little pencil topper we got. We got the Mickey Mouse pencil topper. Oh my goodness. Hello, Mickey. How are you? So now we're going to go to the Party Pop Teenies. It's a surprise popper. Oh, fell out of the bottom. 1 second. Let's see what we have from the bottom here. Okay, so from the Party Pop Teenies, We have a list of collectible figurines. Let's see which one we got in this one. What did we get? Oh, we got the accessories for a Pop Teenie. We got some giraffe ears. We got some headphones. All right, so let's turn it. Oh my goodness, she's right up here. She's Violet in a giraffe outfit. If she happens to get bored of that headband, we'll take it off and we'll put her headphones on so she can listen to music. And lastly, we're going to do the Emoji Squeezeables surprise. Let's see what we get. We got a squeezable pig. Oh, look how much you can just squeeze the pig's face. So squishy and squeezable. Thanks for watching Livy's Playroom. Like and subscribe to see more videos.